So today I just wanted to talk to you about the new cloud-based accounting software that are advertising quite aggressively. I'll just give you some examples where you actually do need the accountant to do your year-end procedure. Something like Xero or QuickBooks Online, you can probably do all the bookkeeping yourselves, but then are you doing the accurate bookkeeping? That's one thing, but assuming that your bookkeeping is pretty accurate, but then the year-end compliance needs to conform with the accounting standards, and that depends if you have a loan, how you have treated the loan expenses and that sort of thing. If you are a property owner or for investment, then have you done the property revaluation and how to account for that? That might be beyond your technical limits. And also, you may not be aware of what expenses to claim and what actually HMRC allows and doesn't allow. So for example, some of the investment you make in plant and equipment, you can take 100% deduction in the year you purchase, but you need to have that sort of knowledge of what exactly is allowed. And in theory, all of us can actually, I can be an eye surgeon if I wanted to, by Googling stuff. But in reality, would I be an eye surgeon? No, right? Because by training, I'm an accountant. The other kind of pitfall of doing everything yourself might be if you're trying to raise money or you're trying to sell the business. And somebody does a due diligence and they find that there are errors in your accounts or errors in your corporation tax return, then you might fail the due diligence process. So what is the solution? Now we have a business model where we could do your bookkeeping and help you comply with the MTD, which is your quarterly filings. You need to do. We're linking the VAT returns directly to the accounting software, and it goes to the HMRC, so we can help you with that. And for the money that you would pay an accountant to do just your year end, we have a business model that for smaller businesses we could do your bookkeeping plus your year end, so that you comply with your year-end company's hours obligation, corporation tax, and even your personal tax. One more reason to have an accountant is, let me give you an example. If you did your accounts, everything yourself, you file your corporation tax and personal tax returns and all that sort of thing, and you wanted a new mortgage or you wanted to change a mortgage provider, and they would insist on an accountant certificate. So you would then have to go to an accountant for a certificate. They won't give you a certificate until they had a chance to look at your accounts in detail. And that would probably cost you more than actually engaging them right from the beginning, not in terms of just cost, but in terms of time as well, because the accountant might take 3 or 4 weeks to get you a certificate. So that delays your process. If you have any queries about the video, then please feel free to get in touch without any obligations, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.